Hey fluffy girls, thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. It's your girl Pink Fluff, and as promised y'all, I told y'all I was going to do more sit down videos, talk with me videos with y'all, so that's what I plan on doing today. I think I'm going to call this actually Pink Chat. I think that's cute, like Pink Chat. I don't know, y'all. If you have any other suggestions, y'all leave them down below in the comment box. But I think I'm going to call it Pink Chat. So I want to do a mental health check real quick. I hope y'all are doing great. I hope y'all are staying productive. I hope y'all are living y'all best lives. We can definitely chat it up in the comment section. Y'all already know I love to respond to y'all. I am doing better. I did have like a little situation I was dealing with, kind of feeling down, but now I'm good now. I'm good. All right, sis. So yeah, y'all, we are definitely strong. Women are so strong. But anyway, let's get into this video. So today's Pink Chat, y'all already see I'm using Pink Chat, is going to be all about envious friends. Friends that envy you, friends that are jealous of you. They want everything that you have, and slick, low-key, y'all, they are just jealousy. So y'all, I went through a point in life where I did have a envious friend, and me and her are no longer friends, just because I had to clear out my circle. I really had to pay attention to the people that I was spending time with, that I was talking to on the phone, that I was actually giving my energy to. So you can tell when someone is jealous of you or envious of you, because they'll start saying like little slick comments, or you know, you may get a job promotion and they like, oh, I can't wait until I get my job promotion. I can't wait until I this, and I'm working on this. And they just start talking about themselves and, you know, try to take the shine off of you and put it on them. And I dealt with a friend for a long time. I knew she was envious of me, and this was actually my best friend, and I had to cut it off. I had to cut it off because when you start becoming negative, like, I can't deal with that. And where I'm going, I can't have negative, jealous, envious people around me, and I knew that. So I had to make the decision to cut it off, because you are who you hang around. If you hang around a bunch of envious people, then you're going to become envious. You're going to become jealous of other people. And the way I stay away from all of that, honestly, y'all, I have the mindset of whatever I want, I am going to go after. I am going to get. If I want to be a millionaire, I'm going to be a millionaire. Now, that does not mean that I'm going to say I'm going to be a millionaire and I'm not going to put the work in. No, I'm going to say I want to be a millionaire and I'm going to put the work in. A lot of people want to say, oh, I want, you know, to be a millionaire, and they don't want to put the work in. That's just like someone saying, oh, I want a job promotion, but you don't do anything to get the promotion. You leave before the store even closes. So y'all, it is 1,000,001 ways someone can be envious of you. Someone can just envy your smile. They can envy, you know, your personality, and it just comes from insecurities. And that's why I say we need to build women up. We need to build men up. We need to build everyone up, because I am not a negative person. I don't have negative people around me. I cleared out my circle a long time ago. And I know how to handle people. I'm still working on my anger problems and my, you know, sometimes I can go from 0 to 100. I can say that, but I'm working on that. But when it comes to keeping positive, good vibes in my circle, I keep that, because I won't have to turn up if I keep positive people around me. You get what I'm saying? So I make sure my circle is positive people, people that just want to see me win, and I want to see everybody win. I do not have to know you to wish well upon you. I feel like whatever is meant for you is meant for you. What's meant for me is meant for me. And anything that you see, ladies, I'm definitely talking to my younger girls, anything that you see like on Instagram or anything like that, you can get, y'all. Okay, do not think that these celebrities, these Instagram models and stuff like that are living their best life, because most of them are not. So I just feel like that is really corny to be envious of your friends. I feel like you as a person should really look at yourself and say, why do I feel this way? Am I just not where I want to be at in life? You know, and why do I want to bring other people down because I'm not secure within myself? So you really have to have those deep conversations. Honestly, y'all, I don't know, I'm just really happy that I'm the type of person that wants to see everyone win. I don't care who you are. I don't care if your father was a millionaire. I want you to win. I don't care if you came from nothing. I want you to win. Like, I want everyone to win. I want everyone to be successful. I want everyone to live within their purpose. Like, I really want that for everybody. So you know when your friends are envious of you. You know when they start that slick talking, you know they're envious of you. When they start to act funny because you're growing in life, they're envious of you. And you really have to sit down with yourself and think about the people that you have in your life and who needs to go. I am a big believer of I can love you from a distance. Everyone does not need to be in this circle. Everyone does not. I know that may be hard for a lot of people to accept, but that's just the honest truth. Everybody does not belong close to you. Y'all, I had to learn this the hard way. I had to learn to love people from a distance. Everyone is not meant to go where I am going. I cannot take everyone with me, and I'm not trying to. I used to be the person where I wanted to take everybody with me where I'm going. Like, and when I say where I'm going, I mean like my levels in life. And you can't. You can't. And that was so hard for me to really accept, because sometimes we don't want to accept the fact that certain people are not good for us, and we have to grow. We have to. And it was one of the hardest decisions I've ever made in life. So a quick little story time. I don't want to get too deep in this, but I had a best friend for 9 years. She was, honestly, y'all, blessings to her. I still love her. I don't know if she's watching this video. She's probably not, but we were best friends for 9 years, and we stopped being friends. I feel like it was more so me that didn't want to be friends, but I felt like it was kind of like mutual, like we shouldn't be friends at this point. Because when I grew up, and I know I talk about this sometimes, but I don't really say it a lot. But when I grew up extremely poor. We grew up poor. I never had name brand Jordans or anything like that, and I thank God for that, because I am the woman I am today, and to struggle like that really made me value the things that I have and save my money. So yeah, the struggle really made me who I am today, and I love the struggle, y'all. Don't ever get it twisted. I love the struggle. I love the fact that I went through the struggle, because I would not be the pink fluff that I am today if I did not go through all of that. So me and my ex-best friend, we actually met in high school, and you know, she always had, you know, nice clothes, nice shoes, you know, good phone. She always had all of that stuff. And I was the friend that didn't have all of that. I always tried to make myself look good with what I had and what I could afford. So yeah, I wasn't the type of person that had name brand this and name brand that, or cared about the new Jordans that just released. That wasn't me. So I was never the type of friend that would downplay anything that my friend did or she wore, anything like that. So I just feel like once time went on and I actually started to get into fashion, I started embracing my body more. I started to dress nice, quote unquote, because y'all, this is a $3 dress. Look good, okay, and $1 earrings, period. Really started to dress up and really get into fashion and stuff like that. And I was looking damn good. And sometimes you have to wait your turn, and for a long time, y'all, I had to wait my turn, and now it's my time. A couple of years ago, I realized it was my time, so it was my time to shine. And everybody didn't like that. Like, a lot of people did not like the fact that I was growing, and people still don't like the fact that I'm growing to this day. But you know, you're just gonna have to get used to it, or just don't follow me. Like, I just don't understand it. But anyway, I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about something else. But yeah, anyway, yeah, when I actually started to get on my ish, when I started to get on my shit, it's like, that's when the slick comments came. That's when the if I got a car, it was like, oh, I can't wait till I get my car. I can't wait until I get my promotion. I can't wait until I move out. I can't wait until, and it was never about me. So certain things, and it was a lot more that happened that I'm just not gonna talk about, but it's like I knew she was envious of me, and I think that was the best decision that I could have made, was to let the friendship go. And sometimes you gotta hurt in order to grow. And it's okay, y'all. It's okay to say you messed up. Now, sometimes with friendships, y'all, you can just fall out and then years later you'll become back friends. That's just how life is. But when it comes to envious people, I don't keep them around. Even if I feel like you're envious of me, I will push you all the way to the back, because envy is something that I don't want to deal with at all. It is very evil. So envy is something that I don't want to deal with at all. Jealousy is something that I don't want to deal with at all, because I am such a motivational person. I always motivate my friends to go above and beyond whatever it is that they're doing or whatever they want to do in life. I'm that friend that will motivate the hell out of you, okay, and you're gonna get tired of me, but I am that motivational person. So when I do good, I would like for people around me to acknowledge that and just say, you know, girl, you doing it, like, I'm loving it. Because if it was them, I would definitely pat them on the back. I would definitely brag about them. I definitely would. You don't even have to do all of that, but I'm just saying, like, you don't have to down someone's light. So my best advice is to definitely distance yourself from negative people, from envious people, of jealous people, because there are a lot of people in this world that are just not happy within themselves, and they want to do everything in their power to bring you down with them. And we not doing that, sis. Like, y'all, no, we not doing it. Cut it off. It may be hard. It's hard at first. Sometimes you may have to be a loner. You know, I was a loner for like a year and some change, y'all. And honestly, y'all, I feel like that was the best time of my life, because I got to know myself. I got to learn myself. And I really understood that I'm strong enough to stand by myself. So sometimes, y'all, you have to distance yourself from everybody in order to get yourself together. And I am a strong believer of that. Distance yourself, y'all. Listen, take the time out that you need, get yourself together. And if you feel like the people that are in your circle, that are closest to you, if you feel like they just don't support you, if you feel like they're envious of you, they're jealous of you, they're always talking down about you, peace, y'all. We don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time for that. So yeah, I love y'all so much. I hope this video wasn't all over the place. This was like my first video like this, so hopefully it was a good video, y'all. I hope it's a good video. I'm gonna edit this and hopefully it's a good video. So yeah, if y'all have any comments, y'all definitely leave them down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. So y'all, I don't know why I was feeling a little shy when I was thinking about doing this video, but now I feel really good. If it's any topics that y'all want me to discuss on my YouTube channel, y'all leave it down below in the comment box. Subscribe. Don't forget to shop my website down below in the description box, and I will see y'all in my next video.